This week, Twitter CEO and co-founder Jack Dorsey took it to his Twitter account and he officially announced that they were considering Ghana as their headquarters on the African continent. Now, this is big news. So as he announced that Twitter is now present on the continent, thank you Ghana and the President Nana Akufo-Addo. So basically what President Nana Akufo-Addo did, he retweeted right immediately and said the choice of Ghana as headquarters for Twitter's Africa operations is excellent news. Government and Ghanaians welcome very much this announcement and the confidence reposed in our country. So this is very big news, guys. And by the way, if you're new here, my name is Gani and this is the African Myth Show, where I spread good vibes about the African continent. So if you want to learn a bit more about the African continent, consider subscribing to the channel, turn the bell notification on as well, so that every time I upload a new video, I get you notified. So with this kind of news, I'm super pumped. And by the way, don't forget to please like this video. It helps the channel a lot because it helps get this video to more other people like you that would like to get this kind of information. So let's first look at the reason as to why Twitter could have considered Ghana, or the reason as to why Twitter considered Ghana as their headquarters in Africa. First of all, looking at the governance in Ghana, it has a very smooth governance. It's highly democratic. It's one of the most democratic countries on the African continent. And basically, this is the reason as to why anyone out there would love to invest or basically set up in Ghana. So it's one of those reasons as to why Twitter considered Ghana as their home on the African continent. So this is really big news for the African continent. And the other reason they could have probably considered Ghana is the high internet usage in the country. Ghana has a very high internet usage, and probably this is one of those reasons they actually considered Ghana. When you look at the rate at which basically the nationals consume internet usage on the African continent, they're really up there. So probably this is the reason as to why Twitter considered Ghana. And then when you also look at the exposure Ghana has been given on the African continent, looking at content creators like Wodemaya and so many other content creators, probably this is one of the reasons as to why the Ghanaian message has been sold out a bit more. Then also looking into events like maybe the year of return. This happened in 2019. This was super big because these are all things that have actually helped expose Ghana to the world. And I really give it up to President Nana Akufo-Addo. He has done great for the African continent. He has done great for his country, Ghana. And in case you actually didn't know what he means to the Africans, especially young Africans, let me show you exactly what he means to young Africans.
I'm very sure beyond doubt that our great ancestors, Kwame Nkrumah, Nelson Mandela Madiba, Milka Cabral, are very positive about what you've talked about. My name is Seguia Hilary Innocent Taylor. I am a Ugandan and I'm doing my master's in international relations here at Harvard. I wish we could, exchange you for our Ugandan president.
With all this said, this is what I believe is in for young Ghanaians. With Twitter setting up in Ghana, there are so many jobs that are going to be created for young Ghanaians to basically work at Twitter. And then after you've actually worked at Twitter, the level of exposure that you will be getting is quite up there. And then also the skills that you're going to be acquiring, or the skills that these young Ghanaians will be acquiring at Twitter, they'll be able to start up and set up quite better in their country and maybe be able to take this knowledge to develop even better or bigger platforms than Twitter itself. So this is a win for Ghana and this is a win for the African continent. So I believe young talented Ghanaians are going to benefit a lot from this setup of Twitter in Ghana. So this is quite big for the nationals in Ghana, and I believe it is a right step, it is a right move in the right direction. I'm really excited with such news, and I can't wait for other big organizations to set foot on the African continent. So in case you found, or in case you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to please consider subscribing to the channel. Turn the bell notification on as well, so that every time I have a new video out, I get you notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch more African content here on the card.